Product review. Guess what? Cheetos mac and cheese Flamin Hot. So let's look at the okay. Let's look at the ingredients. So serving size is per box is 2.5, which is about 2.2 ounces. Blah blah blah. Okay, so this box is roughly 230 calories. What does it have in here that's worthwhile? Carbs 16%, cholesterol none, saturated fat 3, dietary fibers 2 grams, which is about 6% of the daily intake, 4 grams of sugar, sugar added 0, protein 8 grams. Now, this box is extremely hard to find. The first time I found them was at the dollar store. Can't find them there anymore. And then I happened to be in, guess what? Toto's. And they had them hidden in the corner on the little shelf. And I like, oh, let me go ahead and grab a couple of these. So I'm going to go ahead and get this cooked up. And we're going to do a quick taste test. Even though I've already know what it tastes like. But you guys know. See you later. See you soon. Okay. So we're gonna open this box up. Let's see what we got. So we got one package of flavoring and noodles. Six cups of water and a quarter cup of milk. Okay. Get the water. All right. Turn the heat on. And we're going to let this cook. Once this is done, and of course, you know, after I cook it, the butter and the, where it says butter and milk, always add that in last. And then of course, in order not to make macaroni and cheese soup, make sure you drain the water. Because there are some people that have done that. Alrighty, I'll be back shortly. Okay, so looks like it's about ready. I'm going to get my strainer. And we're going to strain all the water off this. Okay, so we need to get quarter cup milk. And since I'm gonna add a little bit of margarine to this. Now, time to add the heat. looks like. That's what the powdery mix looks like. Add this in here. Woo! We're gonna let it cook a little bit for a second, and then we're gonna do a quick taste test. So that we don't get too much cross contamination. That spoon is full of hotty hotty. Gonna take a little bit of this and do a quick taste test. Look at that. Be right back, folks.